Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to save WhatsApp one-time image. So lots of people are commenting that is it possible to save WhatsApp one-time image. So I replied that it's not possible, but you guys can do in some complex way, or you guys can do some tricky way. So in order to do that trick, let's get started. So what you have to do is simply open up WhatsApp application and make sure that you have updated your WhatsApp and use your latest version of WhatsApp. So after that, you have to simply open up the chat in which you have you want to see the one-time image. So you guys can see here in the chat it is one-time image. What you have to do is simply open up the click on this one-time photo and click on it. To you guys can view that here is a photo, and you guys cannot even take the screenshot as possible. And I think due to privacy, it is not displaying as because of privacy of WhatsApp. I think so it is not displaying to you. But what you have to do is simply go back, and you have to simply go back to top right corner of three dots, and here just simply click on settings. So after clicking on settings, you have to just simply click on chats and simply just scroll down and click on chat backup. So what you have to do is basically before moving to one-time image, you have to just simply make a backup of the data. Then you have to simply download the image and you guys can view the image. So after viewing the image, you have to simply go back and go to settings and simply go to setting and search for apps. Then in the apps, you have to just simply click on manage data, manage apps. So after searching for manage apps, you have to just simply search for WhatsApp. So after opening up the WhatsApp, you have to just simply clear the cache data and storage data. So after clearing the cache and storage data, you have to just simply open up again WhatsApp, create a WhatsApp account, and on that time, when it asks for chat backup, you have to just simply add that backup file and you are good to go. And in this way, you guys can again view the same one-time image for free. So here is a simple and tricky way of doing the stuff. So in this way, you guys can save, or you guys can see one-time image again and again. I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.